Hi all. So today we are going to look at how to insert comments in an Excel sheet. So right now in front of me, I have a dummy data wherein suppose let's say in cell C3, if I want to insert a comment, then the shortcut is Shift plus F2. So if I press Shift plus F2, I'll be able to insert a comment. Now when the comment box opens, it gives me my name. Now, let's say if I write over here important, suppose if I want to get out of this comment box, so what I can do is I can press escape twice. Once, twice. When I press escape twice, I can come out of that comment box. Now you see in cell C3, I have at the top this red mark. This is for the comment, right? This is how we can insert a comment in Excel. This is the shortcut for inserting that. Now, suppose if I want to delete this comment, so what I'll press is Alt E A M. So Alt E A M. When I press Alt E A M, the comment gets deleted. So now I don't have that red mark in cell C3. Now, suppose if I add multiple comments in a particular sheet, let me add a comment over here. So I'll add Shift F2, one comment. So I'll add another one, Shift F2, another comment. So Shift F2, third comment. And let's say I add a fourth comment over here. So in this cell, I've added four comments. I can see the red marks. Now let's say if I place my cursor over here and I want to see where are the comments inserted within the sheet. So I'll first press F5 or function F5. So if I press F5 or function F5, I get this go to box. Okay. Now I'll press Alt S. So I go to special and in the select comments it's there. Now if I press enter, so I see that those cells which had comments, they are being automatically selected. Now if I want to navigate across these cells, if I press enter, I can navigate across. If I want to delete all these comments, I can press Alt E A M. All those comments are now deleted. So this is how I can, insert multiple comments. Uh, both highlight those multiple comments and delete those multiple comments in an Excel sheet. So this is what I had about how to insert comments in Excel and how to work on adding and removing comments in Excel. In case this video was helpful, please do like the video and please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos on Excel. Thank you guys for your valuable